What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on gold and silver. And if you don't know, it's me, your trading coach here at InvestLow. My name is Omer, and if you have not yet followed us on Telegram, please make sure you follow us on Telegram channel as well, where I'm posting these type of analysis, including Forex, crypto, gold, commodities, indices, and much more. So follow us there. And also, if you're new to this channel, subscribe so that you can stay informed with the market move. So let's begin with gold first. And before I continue, a quick disclaimer: nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice, just my opinion and just for educational purpose. Now, if you remember my last video, I've said that we can see a possible push down, bounce, and then a fall. And with condition, if you look here on 1 hour, a bearish engulfer in a downtrend that nicely pushed down. We're getting another retest on the previous anchor that was broken. Now I'll be looking for one more retest of 50 EMA or below 50 EMA. If we have a bearish engulfer, I'll be going short. So gold is overall pushing down, and looking at this previous structure break, we can see a possible pullback either on 1 hour or on 4 hour. If there is a solid engulfing candle like this, I'll be going short for gold. I'll be only looking for buy trades if we have broken above 20 and 50 EMA. Only then the directions will be changed and I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. For now, previous structure broken, retest is happening. Bearish engulfer is something I'll be looking to go short. I'll be removing this level. Gold is now in a free fall. There is no zone. We are just getting a minor zones, which is right here. I'll be mentioning that in my next video. And one major zone is right here, which is something I'll want to mention in my next video. For now, I'm looking for selling gold with entry patterns like bearish engulfer on 1 hour and on 4 hour. Buy will only happen above 50 EMA. Here on silver, we have nice push down using Fibonacci levels, and on 1 hour we have marked this level. We have nice hit of 382 level and nicely pushed down till here. Now we are getting another low and we are getting a possible bearish condition. If there's a bearish engulfer, I'll be going short. That can be on 1 hour, and on 4 hour I'm just simply looking for the pullback entry bearish. Now there is still a chance the previous zone, which is broken right here, 47.75 goes to 48.99. There's a chance of the price come up, retest with a better entry, will be a bearish engulfer or a double top pattern. That will be my sell signal to go short again. So either from this red zone or below 50 EMA, bearish engulfer will be my sell entry condition. My next buy area will be here, which is the minor zone. The green zone right here, these numbers in blue, from where I'll be looking to buy silver. A short-term bounce, then a possible fall back. So we'll see how that goes.